Excuse me. We have information to suggest that you've been involved in a drug deal. You match a description we have been given, so I'm going to detain you for a search under Section 23 of the Misuse of Drugs Act. The grounds of this search is I have suspicion that you have a controlled substance on you, so the object that I'm looking for is a controlled substance. I'm PC Robinson, attached to Bridgend Police Station. There will be a copy of this search afterwards, and you are entitled to a record of it. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so if you could just stand with your feet shoulder width apart, please. Yeah. And if you could just put your arms out like this for me, please. Thank you. Okay, I'm just going to search in your hood, okay?
Yeah.
And around the collar. Okay, I'm going to search down your back. Okay, I'm going to go into your belt, okay? Okay, I'm going to search up the front. And I'm going to search in your belt in the front. Can you step back for me, please? Thank you.
It's not mine.
Just going to continue on with the search, okay? Going to go down the back of your leg. What's in your pocket here?
Nothing.
No?
No.
Okay, I'm just going to check, okay? That.
It's not mine.
Okay, and I'm just going to check in your boot. Okay, I'm going to come over to the side and I'm going to search your collar again. Can you keep your arm up for me, please? Thank you. I'll search down your back. And in your belt again. And up the front. And in your belt around the front. Okay, I'm going to search on the back of your leg. And in your boot. Just put your hands behind your back for me, please, with your knuckles touching.
Right.
Okay, I'm arresting you on possession of a controlled substance. You do not have to say anything, but it may harm your defence if you do not mention when questioned something which you later rely on in court. The necessity for this arrest is for a prompt and effective investigation of the offence. Here you go. You just come with me, please. Thank you.